Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I am bringing to you this fall card. Now, I can't remember if I have shown y'all this one or not. I cannot find the video to it out. And for some reason, when I pull up YouTube on my iPad, it only gives me so many of my videos and it won't scroll. It won't give me any more. I mean, it'll only give me maybe 20 or 30 of my videos, so I can't see if I've already done this one or not. So, I'm showing it to you again, if that's the case. So, this is a ball card, as I said, and this background is a embossing folder, and I just took finger daubers and colored the leaves. I tried not to get on the end, on the flat part, but sometimes you just can't help it. So I just did different colors just so they'll pop out. And then I just did this here. This is an old spellbinder, not a tag dye. I forget what you call it. Maybe a tag dye. I'm not sure. These are just little stickers from my stash, and this as well. This is a little acorn, and these leaves are from the tattered leaves from Tim Holtz, and I just colored them up with Copics, different colors, fall colors, and kind of messed around with the colors. Mixing them and things, and I think it turned out pretty good. I like this area a lot. I'm glad I had this little thing. I do have an acorn punch, but I kind of like this for this particular card. And on the inside, I just put a rub-on that I had in my stash. Alright. And let me know if you like the card and if you remember seeing this card before. So we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.